guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I am going to discuss to you all about the respiratory system of humans. We're going to tackle about the function, the specific components, and how the respiration process of human works.
So what is the function of the respiratory system?
The function of lungs is basically breathing. There is a transport of air into and out of the lungs. It also protects the lungs from inhaling harmful particles from the environment. And also, more importantly, there is a gas exchange happening through this process where there is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Let me show you first how I made the 3D model of the respiratory system of a human. The materials I used in making the 3D model of respiratory system of a human are cardboard, cartoon, cutter, scissors, glue, glue stick, candle, a lighting match, paint, paintbrush, a straw, and beads of styrofoam. In here, I used an already used cardboard to make the 3D model of the respiratory system of a human, where I pasted the cartoon as an edge for the figure of the lungs I want to create. Then I cut it into the desired shape same as to the lungs. Then after that, I mixed the paint yellow and red to form an orange color. The paint I used in painting this 3D model of respiratory system is branded as Lotus. I will insert the picture of the paint I have used in this project. After you paint the inner part of the lungs, you will need a straw. You will paste this straw by using a glue stick and paint it on the center part of the figure. The balloon is just an accessory to see the inhaling and exhaling process or the pumping of air. You can now then paste the bamboo sticks as a representative for bronchioles. And this is the 3D model of the respiratory system of a human. Now let's get acquainted to the specific components of the respiratory system.
Here is the two air passages, the nasal and the oral cavity, where nasal cavity is located in the nose area and the oral cavity is located in the mouth area of human. Note that here in the throat area is called the pharynx, where the pharynx connects to the respiratory openings, the larynx and esophagus. But note that here, imagine this is the esophagus beside the area wherein esophagus is not considered as a part of respiratory system, but is a part of the digestive system. Larynx is also called the voice box since the vocal cords are located in there. And here is the trachea or the windpipe, that connects to the bronchi, where it merges into the small tube-like structure called the bronchioles. And bronchioles connect to the alveoli. Here are the alveoli. So alveoli is the thin-like sac wherein the gas exchange happens. This alveoli is surrounded by capillaries. Note that in nasal cavity, we have here the concha. It filters the air from receiving or from inhaling the harmful air particles, and it also helps humidify and warms the air before entering to the lower parts of the respiratory system. This flip-like structure is called the epiglottis. This epiglottis goes upward when the air flows through this passage, and it closes down when we swallow foods, since the foods will go not to the trachea, not here in the trachea, but it would down to the esophagus, which is the digestive system. So this epiglottis covers the trachea from receiving the foods, resulting for esophagus to take in the foods and not in this area. When the oxygen enters, since we know that the air passages through the alveoli, when the oxygen enters to the alveoli sacs, it picks up the oxygen and gives off the carbon dioxide in return. So when the carbon dioxide is given off, it will go back to the air passage, what we call the process of exhaling.
And that is how wonderful a human body is. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my upcoming videos related to this. Thank you!